Instructions. Read the incomplete dialogue and choose the most appropriate response from the options provided. Select the option that best completes the conversation. Question 1. Hi, how are you? A. I'm fine, thank you. B. Nice to meet you. C. Goodbye. Two. What's your favorite color? A. I like blue. B. My name is John. C. I'm from Canada. Three. How was your weekend? A. It was great. I went hiking. B. Sorry, I can't make it. C. I don't know. Four. What time is the meeting? A. It starts at 9 a.m. B. I'm not sure. Can you check? C. I like pizza. Five. Can you pass me the salt, please? A. Sure. Here you go. B. I'm sorry, I don't have any. C. That's a nice shirt. Six. Do you have any plans for the weekend? A. No. I'm free. What do you suggest? B. I have to work late on Saturday. C. My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption. Seven. Excuse me, where is the nearest bank? A. It's on Maple Street, next to the post office. B. Nice to meet you. C. You're welcome. Eight. I'm feeling really tired today. A. Why don't you take a nap? B. Me too. Let's go for a walk. C. What's your favorite sport? Nine. Can I borrow your pen, please? A. Sorry, it's too late. B. Sure. Here you go. C. I like to play guitar. Ten. What's the weather like today? A. It's sunny and warm. B. I have no idea. C. My favorite singer is Taylor Swift.